You know, a quiche of any kind makes a great side dish or even a home meal, and today I'd like to show you how to make a tomato quiche that's a wonderful dish for brunch. So first, make a savory pie crust and par bake it in a tart pan like I've done here. I've got some olive oil heating in a saute pan, and I will put in half a finely diced onion. I'll season them with salt and pepper, and while the onions are softening, I'll take a 14.5 ounce can of tomatoes and put them in the food processor and just briefly pulse them. Next, I'll add some garlic to the pan and just cook that briefly, and then add the tomatoes from the processor. Then to add a little bit of body, I'm going to add some tomato paste and also a sprig of fresh rosemary, some additional salt, and a couple of pinches of sugar. Now I've got 2 large eggs and 2 egg yolks that I've whisked together, and I'll add in 3/4 cup of milk, some shredded cheddar cheese, and some shredded Parmesan, about a 1/2 cup of each. I'll mix that well. In the meantime, I've also preheated my oven to 350, and now I'll put in that tomato mixture that's cooled. Mix it all together, put it in the tart crust, and then bake it in that 350 oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's nicely set. Serve your tomato quiche for brunch or anytime, but get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching the tastiest 2 minutes in television, and I'll see you next time.